Hello friends, I hope you are looking for a best action camera. So you have clicked this video. In this video we will discuss action camera which are best sold and achieved top rated reviews from customers. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product, please check the description box in the below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. INSTA 361R Twin Edition Action Camera. Do you want an action cam? How about a 360-degree cam? The answer is, you want both, and now you can get both. INSTA 360's 1R, 8/10, wired recommends, eliminates this debate by bringing interchangeable lenses to the action camera. There are 3 lenses, or mods, right now, a 4K mod that mirrors what you'll get from the other cameras on this page, a dual-lens 360-degree camera, and a wide-angle Leica lens paired with a 1-inch sensor that's capable of capturing 5K video. The best value lies in pairing the 4K mod with the 360 mod, but if you can afford it, the Leica 1-inch mod delivers the best image and video quality I've seen from an action camera. INSTA 360 has released a series of firmware updates for the 1R that have greatly improved low-light performance and added a slew of new features, like the ability to turn your 1R into a webcam. Not only is it nice to get some new shooting capabilities, but it's also nice to see this level of ongoing support in a world where some companies churn out a new model every year. About this item. 5.7K 360 plus 4K wide angle, 1R Twin Edition transforms on the fly from a 360-degree camera to a wide-angle 4K 60fps action camera. Just swap out the lenses. Flow state stabilization. Flow state achieves gimbal-like image stabilization without the gimbal. Thanks to a new scene detection algorithm, your footage stays clear and steady even in low light. Super 5.7K, the dual-lens 360 mod raises the bar with Super 5.7K resolution, leveraging H.265 encoding, advanced image processing, and an AI-powered finishing algorithm to preserve detail and make your footage pop. Number 2. Olympus Tough TG6 Action Camera. The Olympus TG6, an 8/10, wired recommends, isn't a strap it to your head and shred camera, but if you're shooting underwater, a common use case for these cameras, this is your best bet. The sensor in the TG6 is the largest of the bunch and produces correspondingly high-quality images and video. It's seriously tough, freeze-proof, crush-proof, dust-proof, and shock-proof. You can drop it from 7 feet. It also has real camera features you won't find elsewhere, like focus stacking for close-ups, an extensive set of add-ons, extra lenses, and even an underwater case that extends its depth rating. About this item. Waterproof, 50 feet 15 meter, dust-proof, shock-proof, 7 feet 2.1 meter, crush-proof, 100 kgf, freeze-proof, 14° Fahrenheit -10 degrees Celsius, anti-fog. High-resolution f2.0 lens, maximum 8x zoom, true pic VE, back-illuminated CMOS image sensor. Variable macro system consisted of 4 macro shooting modes, magnified shooting up to 1 cm from the end of the lens. 5 underwater shooting modes including underwater microscope, 3 underwater white balance modes. Number 3. DJI Osmo Action Camera. The DJI Osmo Action, 8/10, wired recommends, is a relative newcomer to this field, but it has all the pedigree of DJI's drone cams behind it. The dual touchscreen display was an innovation when it arrived, but it has since been copied by our top pick. Still, the Osmo is selling for a good deal less these days. The Osmo Action has excellent image stabilization and an HDR video option that opens up shadows in difficult, backlit shots. It's also compatible with most action camera mounts and accessories. On the downside, it's missing GPS support and doesn't have the social sharing features found in the GoPro. About this item. Dual screens. Osmo Action's dual screens allow you to capture it all with the touch of a button. A vivid front screen lets you frame yourself effortlessly in any setting, while the back screen delivers a crystal clear, hyper-responsive display. This durable, versatile action camera is jam-packed with advanced technology that lets you spend less time worrying about equipment and more time living the action. The Rocksteady technology combines AIs with complex algorithms, delivering stable, shake-free footage, no matter how heavy the action gets. Action camera with a 0.3 CMOS sensor, 12 MP, wide-angle 145 degrees that allows you to shoot 4K HDR videos. 8x slow motion. Capture every epic move with jaw-dropping clarity and detail when you use 8x slow motion with 1080p resolution and 240 fps. Time-lapse, condense time and movement for stunning, easy-to-achieve results. Number 4. Yi 4K Action and Sports Camera. This miniature camera provides excellent photo and video quality for a very low price. The device has a wide range of functions. You can take beautiful travel photos thanks to a good image stabilizer. In addition, the camera has a large touchscreen, which simplifies the control process of photo or video shooting. Such a compact device enables you to record 4K videos at 30 frames per second and Full HD video up to 120 frames per second. Unfortunately, you need to purchase additional accessories, which is the main shortcoming of this device. About this product's superb image quality, records 4K 30 fps, 100 Mbps, 7K 60 fps, 1080p 120 fps, 720p 240 fps video, and 12MP RAW image with built-in Sony IMX377 image sensor and AMOLED dual-core A9 SE75. Equipped with advanced video stabilization, ACE can capture super smooth footage at 7K 60 fps. Long battery life, high-capacity rechargeable lithium-ion battery records up to 120 mins of 4K 30 fps video with a single charge. High-performance cooling system prevents the Yi 4K action camera from overheating and enables stable video recording. Intuitive touchscreen UI, built into 2 high-responsive LCD touchscreen with 640x360 high resolution for easy setting, previewing and shooting. Newly released voice command makes shooting even easier than before. Touchscreen is made with Gorilla Glass Retina to resist scratches and daily impact. Number 5. Yi 4K Plus Action Camera. This model is a cool alternative to the GoPros, although less popular. The Yi 4K Plus is a perfect action camera for recording 4K videos. The integrated Sony IMX377 image sensors capture 12MP pictures and excellent Full HD videos. This action camera has a sensitive 2.2 Gorilla Glass Retina touchscreen, which is bright and clear. It also has Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Besides, due to its quad-core CPU, the Yi 4K Plus has a very responsive interface. Unfortunately, the camera does not have water protection outside its waterproof case. It has a built-in image stabilization, ACE, which assists you in getting smooth and stable videos. The 1200 mAh battery gives you the opportunity to record a 4K video for more than 1 hour. The support of voice control and the availability of RAW format are amazing bonuses. About this item. Impressive video quality. The world's first action camera to record 4K 60 fps video. Built-in Sony IMX377 image sensor captures 12MP pictures and films high-quality Full HD footage. Superb image stabilization. Built-in electronic image stabilization, ACE, delivers spectacularly smooth and steady videos in up to 4K 30 fps resolution, ensuring excellent experience in shooting fast-moving objects. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and comment on this video. Don't forget to press the notification bell icon to get new update videos. Also check the description box for products link.